Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, let us learn a Python program to find sum of all odd numbers between 1 and n. So given the value of n, so you have to take a range from 1 to n and you have to find the numbers between them, that is only the take the numbers between 1 and n and try to sum all the odd numbers. So that is a problem statement. So let us try to solve this. So let me take two variables, that is min equals to 1, and let's take another value max, and let us ask a user to enter the value of n. So to ask a user to enter the value of n, so let's use the input function call, and let's say enter value of n. Yeah, so once the user enters the value of n, so it will be of a string type. So let us convert it into an integer type using the type conversion. So once we are done getting the min and max, so let's take another variable total and initialize it to 0. So this variable will be storing the sum of all the odd numbers between 1 to n. So this is a min and max represents 1 and max represents the value of n. So now what we do is we try to iterate from 1 to n and try to check if the number is odd and try to add it to the total. So let's do that. So let's use for index a temporary variable. So let's take in. Let's use a range of min plus 1 and max. Yeah, so we'll be iterating the numbers or getting the numbers between min plus 1, that is a between numbers. So here we are trying to exclude the 1 and n and try to only get the numbers, that is excluding 1 and n. So once we are done getting the numbers, that is from min plus 1 range to the max, so we'll be using an if statement to check if the value, that is temporary value, that is index, is an odd number. So let's take index and try to modulate it with a 2 and check if the remainder is 1. So this is the method to check if the given value is odd or not. So if this particular statement is true, so you have found a odd number. So what we do is we take a variable total plus equals to add the index. Yeah, so this is a method to get the range from 1 to n and then try to check if that particular number, that is between the range, is an odd number and then try to add it to the total. So once we get the total, that is sum of all the odd numbers between 1 to n, so let us try to print it. So let's use a print formatting, that is string format, and let us try to copy the same, that is sum of all the odd numbers between 1 to n. So n value here is max, and let's give is, and in the flower braces, so let's give total. Yeah, so this is a complete Python program to find the sum of all the odd numbers between 1 to n. So let me execute this and let me show you how it works. So enter the value of n, so let's give 3. So you can see sum of all the odd numbers between 1 to 3 is 0. So there is no odd number between 1 to 3. Closing it. So let me re-execute it. So enter the value of n. So let's give 5. So you can see the numbers between 1 to 5 is just a 3. It has printed a 3 value. Closing it. So let me re-execute it. So enter the value of n. So let's give 7. So 5 plus 3 is equals to 8. So let's run it again. So let's give something like 15. So you can see sum of all the odd numbers between 1 to 15 is 48. Yeah, so this is a complete Python program to find sum of all the odd numbers between 1 to n. So I'll give this code in the description of this video. So that's it in this video. Hope you liked it. Thank you for watching. Bye.